So over here, you can see that I have this classroom right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to make an exact copy of this classroom and make some changes to it. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here and then click on the three dot button. And over here, you can see that copy is an option right here. If I were to go around and click right here, then what happens is that this is what you have, as you can see. And now I can simply go around and say General Computing 2 right here. So I'm going to go around and say online 3 right here, and subject will be Office Package itself. And if I were to go around and click on copy, then what happens is that the contents of this particular classroom is copied and a new classroom is made, as you can see right here. So it is creating the class, as you can see right here, and that is what you have. So this is the classroom right here. The classroom is still being created, and you can see that it has completed being created right here. So as I click on this, a copy of the classroom is created, and this is what I have. And you can see that the drafts are saved for all of the assignments right here. So it is there, and you can go around and edit out the assignments and post it out as you like. So on the people section, you got the teachers right here, but you don't have the grades. So the major contents like the classwork contents are actually there as drafts, as you can see, so that you can reuse them. So, but you don't see any posts right here. So those are the contents that are actually copied. So if I were to go around onto customize, I can go around and change out the class right here according to how I want. And then that is what you have, as you can see. And that is how you can go around and then make a copy of an existing classroom inside of Google Classroom. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.